Okay, it's recording.
Oh my God.
Giselle, back up, please.
Oh my God.
Giselle, will you get over here?
Over here.
Dad, put me on your shoulder.
Uh-oh, back it up, Bubs.
Oh.
Oh.
Yep.
Oh, no, not again.
Whoa, good job.
Good job. No, backwards. Back it up.
Face. Backwards. There you go. But hit butt face.
Butt face. Nice.
Butt face on the wall. Hit butt face on the wall. I mean, the tire. The tire.
You like playing with this?
Oh, then you go. You want to get your own? I need to get the tire figured.
Hold on. Don't just take off with the control. Okay, it's recording now. Sonic's on the back.
Can you go grab Dad's knife off the table?
Taking a ride.
Rolling around at the speed of town.
We're back him up. Hopefully he doesn't fly off, man. Oh, you a little stuck? Gotta forward him out. Forward him out. Timmy! Come on. You're stuck, honey. There. Go forward. Oh, you lost him. Oh, my God. You worry about that truck, not the... I'll get the figure. Honey, it's stuck on the boat, or whatever this bucket.
Rolling around at the speed of town.
Here, Sonic.
Rolling around
Oh,
at the speed of
there's Sonic.
God, but...
Don't hit the controller.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on, Timmy. Timmy, Daddy said hold on.
See if we can strap Sonic right in. Put a little hole right here.
No, don't do that.
Oh, it's...
We could have just taped him on, man, and not sit here and ruin a $300-400 truck here.
It's not ruining a $300-400 truck. Yep. Oh my God. It'll be fine.
He's ruining it.
He's just trying to...
Yep. Woo!
Cut Sonic. Oh yeah! Can I put the button now?
No, you see, Daddy's trying to do it. All right, here's Sonic.
Oh, yeah.
Sonic taking off. Watch out for the dog.
Oh, sorry. Got him. Rolling at the speed uptown.
Watch out for the van. Sonic is cruising. Look at him drive now.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Rolling around at the speed uptown. Stop it. Go now. Follow my way.
Whoa.
It take a while and
Yep.
it's going on.
You know, right over my shoe.
Riding on the wind. No time to get it.
Mom, can you put
Mighty enough.
Yes, honey.
Follow me.
and move your arm? No belt. Mom, Velcro it.
What do you say, honey?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm rolling around at the speed of sound. Got places to go. Gotta follow my rainbow. That's the whole song. I'm rolling around at the speed of sound. Got places to go. Gotta follow my rainbow. Got places to go. Gotta follow my rainbow.
How you heard that song, Giselle?
From you, bub.
No, I heard it from the video.
Adventure 2 from the Dreamcast.
Get out of there, Magoo. Oh. You little sicko. What are you doing? Alright, bub, I'm gonna stop the video, okay? This is the end of Sonic. Dun dun dun. Come on, Bubba. Come here. You got it. Come on, Timmy.
Don't move. Move your booty, Dad. You see here, standing here. I'm waiting for you to walk.
Oh.
Let you down?
No. Dad, walk. Walk.
I'm not walking.
Uh-oh. Backwards. Backwards. Backwards.
Forwards, Timmy, forward.
Back. There you go. Oh, just move it. Just move it. Oh,
Hey,
God.
watch out for the car.
Stop.
Bring it away from the road, son. Bring it.
Honey, get it back up here, please. Thank you.
Oh my God, he jumped.
Yeah, he did. Was that cool or what? Whoa, shit.
That was a crazy stunt.
You steer too, son. You can't just hit the trigger.
Yes, and I thought he was doing really good.
Well, he's got one hand in his pocket, so.
Well, for a minute there, he did. He was going there.
You can put tail
What you doing, bub? You got more characters? Is that what's going on here?
What's next? Amy Rose?
I think Tails is gonna fall out, dude. He's not gonna survive. Oh, Tails is down. Tails is down.
What's next? Amy Rose? What's next? Amy Rose?
I don't know.
Oh, is he dead? You run him over?
I am alive.
That's awesome to have fun about this.
It is.
He keeps on falling out to me. Timmy, why don't you replace Sonic out of his seat, take him out of his seat, and put Tails there?
We got a rubber band?
I'm sure somewhere. Man, I threw one away earlier too.
Even a hair tie, because I can put the hair tie across the two little things for him.
Here. Well, here. Hold that for a minute.
Oh.
Dude, Tails is right there!
What?
Timmy, Tails! Tails! Look!
Alright.
Dad was gonna help Tails.
Tails is dead.
No!
One,
Never!
two.
This will make a meme out of it. Oh my God. Why
Come on, you need to steer too, son.
I'll be right back.
Let's end the video when Sonic crashed the truck. If I can make that happen. And he crashed!